So here's my question to you. I want you to imagine that you are, or that you're in a boat, and you're going across a river. Here's our river. You're going across the raging Mississippi.
Wow.
And you put in on this side of the river, and let's say that the river's flowing at a rate of something like 4 meters per second downstream.
Yeah.
Let's say your boat has a maximum speed of 10 meters per second. And that's moving pretty fast. That's 30 feet in a second. You're flipping along pretty good.
There you go.
Okay.
Did you record
So
that move?
I got it.
you're
Pretty
in the boat with this river going down this way. Your boat can go 10 meters per second that way. Its maximum speed is 10 meters per second. Okay?
It's a pretty quick boat.
Pretty quick boat. When you go across this river, what's the actual direction the boat's going to go? Somebody, Sarah, why don't you come up here and draw on the board?
Let's go,
Draw for
Sarah.
us to show us
my hand.
what direction it's going to go. You can use red. Yeah.
I just
Just draw an arrow from the boat. What direction is it going to go? Okay, you guys agree?
Yes.
Yeah, good job. Okay.
Good job, Sarah.
So, let's say we wanted to find out the speed of the boat compared to the dirt underneath it, relative to the ground that's underneath that flowing water in the boat. Okay? Because if you were to look at the ground underneath, it's not moving, right? Okay? But the boat, instead of going straight across or downstream, it's going at this angle. So is the speed of this boat going to be greater, less than, or equal to 10 meters per second as it's going this way?
Greater.
How do we figure out how much?
10 minus one.
Pythagorean
Pythagorean
theorem. Good
theorem,
job,
good.
Jad. Whee.
If I take and move that over there, Sarah made those arrows just about perfectly proportional to what I did. Good job. Okay? If I move that over there, Sarah's arrow becomes the hypotenuse, right? So what's that value going to be? 10 squared plus 4 squared. We take square root. What do we have?
116.
116. So we take the square root of 116. Anybody know what it is?
No.
You can't do that in your head?
No.
it's between
You got it?
It's between 10 and
No.
11 because 11 would be 121, right? 10 is 100. So as far as squared, somewhere between 10 and 11. Okay? So I'm going to guess like 10.8-ish. If you somebody do the math on it for us real quick.
But it's 10.623.
Square root of 116.
10.7.
It's 10.7?
So
10.77?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm rounding 10.8. Okay, good.
two's
All right,
close.
so there is our speed, and it's at this direction, right? How would I figure out the direction? How do I figure out the direction of that velocity?
It's gonna be at an angle.
It is an angle. That angle's right there, isn't it?
Oh, so we used to find theta.
You can take the tangent,
Tangent.
the tan or the inverse.
Inverse tangent of what?
10 over 4.
What's tangent going to be? It's opposite over adjacent, right? So which side is my opposite of the angle? 4 over 10. And so then I end up with inverse tangent of 0.4. Somebody tell me what that is?
Let's go, Jad.
21.8 degrees. And how would you say that? Maybe below horizontal or something like that? Or 21.8 degrees downstream from across or something like that, right? Okay? You'd have to give some direction to it, but there we go.